get guys calling me on those kind of cars. They say, I say, well, I'm just going to do
Please compose me.
That's I got money. What's that? VW.